Hey guys! Hey guys! My name is Phaye and welcome to today's video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Phaye. I just said it. And yeah, welcome to my channel. So, for the returning subscribers, I'm really sorry for not posting in January. I just had a hectic month. I went back to school and then I had exams. So, with exams, I have to study. I'm doing engineering. So, if you're doing engineering, you know. But I think all exams are really hard, regardless of your course. So, you guys understand, right? So, today's video is going to be this makeup look. Okay, I wouldn't say it's simple, but it's really not hard. Honestly, it's not hard. I just use liquid lipstick and the palette I always use, which is Cara Beauty palette, Let There Be Magic, just to achieve this look. I think it's nice and cute and pink. I love pink, so anything pink is just a straight chef's kiss from me. I think that's all. Oh, before we go, please subscribe down below. Comment down below and tell me which makeup look you would want to see next. And yeah, with all that said, let's just jump right in and start this tutorial. We're going to first start with the eye makeup as usual, and I'm going to first do my brow. And if I forgot to mention, I'm using the Davis pencil. Yes, in the shade number 3. No, actually this is 040. Sorry. This is 040. So that's the eyebrow pencil I'm using. If you want to see an eyebrow tutorial for just normal brows, not straight brows where you have to shave like half of your brow, like the normal one, you can just comment down below. And yeah, I will do it. The next thing, you're going to go in with your concealer just to clean up your brows. I'm using the Maybelline Fit-Me concealer in the shade number 40. I'm just going to speed this part up. I don't want to bore you to death. Then we're going to go in with concealer just to prime your eyelids for eyeshadow. Let me just do that. I'm going in with the same concealer I used to clean up my eyebrows. Yeah, you don't need like a lot of products. Then I'm going to use my finger to blend it out. I've recently been liking how that looks, so that's what I'm going to do. And yeah, I've not been so consistent with uploading. We went back to school, and then I had exams, so that was really tricky. I couldn't film, edit, and then also study for my exams, so I just took a break to do my exams, which were very annoying. We went back to school, had to finish up some classes, and then we did exams. So I just finished exams like last week. I'm going to try and make my content be more consistent, like do a video every week. Yeah, I think that's good. But for Valentine's makeup look, I'm going to do another one. I already have one video on like a Valentine's Day makeup look, and I'm going to do this one, then maybe another one, just to kind of release them before 14th. So yeah, now my eyelids are all primed. I'm going to use a liquid lipstick. Yes, I'm going to use a liquid lipstick because I want a purple look. And yes, my palette has some purples. The palette I'm using is, oh my god, it's so dirty. It's Cara Beauty. I'm not even going to show it. It's Cara Beauty Let There Be Magic. It's the same palette I use all the time. So I'm using a purple liquid lipstick, and I am just going to start putting it on the outer part of my eyes, this side. So just start small. I'm kind of creating a wing because I want my eyeshadow to look winged out, and I'm bringing it almost into my crease, but not quite, just keeping it on the outer part of my eye. So after this, I want to go in with a lighter color and just blend out the edges. I'm going to go in with this color right here. Let me take a very soft light pink, this one, this baby pink right here, and just blend this out. I'm going to go in with a darker purple, preferably this one right here, and just use that to deepen. So I'm just going to take in a little bit of black just to use on my lash line. The next thing we're going to do is cut the crease. So just take a little bit of concealer and cut your crease. The brush that I'm using is really small, so it makes it much easier when you're cutting your crease. So I would advise you get a smaller brush. So I'm going to be using a flat brush just to pat on the color, and I'm using this very light pink here, this one. Literally, yeah. That looks so good. So now I am just going to take this flat brush that I had used to pat in the soft pink to just blend out this edge using that lighter pink shade, just to blend it out. It looks so good. So I'm happy with how that looks. Let me just do my eyeliner and come back and show you how it looks before I go into this other eye of camera. So now let me go into the other eye of camera, then I will be back to show you the eyes with lashes on before we do the face makeup. I'm back. I did this other eye of camera and yeah, I put on lashes. So let's get into the face makeup. I already primed my face. So I'm going to start with contouring, and I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa, and I'm just going to put it where I normally contour. So I go in with contouring first, just in case I overdo it and make it very harsh. I can just put foundation over it and just blend it. And I want to make my chin look defined, so I just contour on my chin just a bit, and also my jawline. Yeah, and this other side too. So let me just blend this in. I look crazy, so let me blend this in and put on foundation, and then yeah, and then we're going to highlight. So I'm using this brush. It's my first time using it, so let's see how it blends the contour. So for my nose contour, I'm going to go in with this small brush. Next, we're going to go in with the foundation. I've already blended in the contours. There, so let's blend that out. I'm going to go in with my damp beauty blender and just blend that in. First, I'm picking off excess from the back of my hand, and then I just go in and blend it. So the next thing is concealer. So let me just stick my concealer and just highlight. And I repeat the same on this other side. Some on my forehead. And then some on my chin. And then for the bridge of my nose, I like to go in with a very sturdy brush. And I just put it, because I need the line to be straight. So there, let's just blend that out. If you want full coverage underneath your eyes, you need to first let that concealer sit for a bit. Let me just go in with blush, then we can set the whole face. But I think I should set underneath my eye first. So let me just set underneath my eye before I decide to do blush. I'm going to go in with my blush. So let me just start with my temples and just bring it in. I'm using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder to just set my face. Let me take one of the brushes I was using to blend my eyeshadow and just put some shadow on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to highlight my nose, the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, on the arc of my eyebrows, and I think that's it. I don't like highlight on my cheeks, so yeah. And I also saw another trick where you highlight just on the sides of your nose, so let me try that today. So for today's lip combo, I am going to go in with a maroon liner. So I'm just going in with, oof, why haven't I ever done this lip combo? It looks so good. Yes. Oof! It looks so good. Damn! My makeup is pretty much done. I love the way my lip has turned out. So let me just go and do my hair real quick and put on some hooped earrings, some perfume, and I'll come and show you the finished look. This is the finished look for today's tutorial. Yeah, it turned out really nice. And yeah, I just put my hair up in a half. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. If you've watched this far, I really appreciate you more. For my new subscribers, welcome. Yet again, welcome. I really appreciate you. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe down below. Turn on the bell icon, so that you can get notified the next time I upload. So comment down below which kind of look you would want to see. Yes, I hope you've really enjoyed today's tutorial. It's a very nice, cute Valentine's look. So yeah, that has been all, guys. Bye.